When comparing the price of Karatbar's gold bullion, you must make sure you are comparing apples to apples. You wouldn't compare a car by evaluating a Chevy Cavalier to a Corvette. Yes, they're both cars, but the fact is one costs more, is worth more, and retains its value better. Gold coins, bars, and ingots are all gold, but with varying purity, weights, and value. Furthermore, you can't get a truly accurate price for a 1 gram Karatbar by taking the spot price of an ounce of gold and dividing it by 31.1. That's roughly how many grams there are in a troy ounce of gold. Why can't you do that? Well, if you wanted a gallon of milk, would it be cheaper for you to buy the gallon or 8 pints? Of course, we all understand what it means to buy in larger volumes or bulk to get lower pricing. Most customers that buy gold usually buy retail and never really consider all the factors involved in purchasing. They look at price and that's it. What you have to realize is Karatbars International is a category creator. No one is doing what Karatbars is doing worldwide. When you buy from Karatbars International, not only are you getting pure 999.9 currency grade gold bullion, you are getting the chance to earn cash and more gold just by referring others. If you want to be accurate and compare apples to apples, ask your broker what their price is for a 999.9 1 gram bullion bar produced by an LBMA certified refinery. No one can touch Karatbar's price. Karatbars has consistently maintained a 2 to 4% better price. Even if your broker could match or beat the Karatbars prices, would they give you gold for referring others? I doubt it. Here are some very important facts to consider. Karatbars International is a private issuer of 999.9 24 karat gold bullion grams. Its products are produced by a private refinery and mint exclusive to Karatbars International. Karatbars gold bullion is not subject to seizure under the current international bullion and U.S. laws. Transactions are completed offshore. Gold is vaulted offshore, and all transaction records belong to Karatbars International. Karatbars carry the LBMA certification from the Atzi refinery, which makes them good for settlement of debt. Karatbars International is an offshore e-commerce company with an affiliate marketing program. Karatbars International does not apply to the FTC or the BBB, all of which come under U.S. government jurisdiction or any other jurisdiction not held under the international bullion laws. Karatbars does not apply to the Securities Exchange Commission, since gold is not a financial instrument like paper currency. Karatbars International falls under the international bullion laws set forth by the World Trade Organization under the Harmonious Tax Code. In the USA, any and all gold and gold coin purchases that occur are recorded. The U.S. government knows exactly who has what. You do not actually own any government-issued coins. You are merely the bearer of those coins. Governments in financial duress can recall gold coins and pay the bearer its face value. Ask yourself this: where do you think the United States government is going to get the gold to restock their shelves? History will repeat. Karatbars weighs in at 1.01 grams. That is above the legal limit if a country tries to exercise a VAT tax on 1 gram bars. Karatbars International has a niche market of transaction-friendly weights, which makes it a viable form of payment and exchange under all economic circumstances in all countries. Karatbars International accounts are private and secure, more so than the FDIC, the CDIC, or any gold sales in the US or Canada. 100% of all funds you deposit in your Karatbars account are used to buy gold bullion. There are no extra fees. Karatbars International does not report any customer transactions under $10,000 to any government agency in any country. Karatbars International does not ask for a social security number or a social insurance number. Your identity is kept confidential for your account as long as you are not charged or convicted with money laundering, drug trafficking, or any other international crime under the U.S. Patriot Act. All transactions are recorded by username and account number and verified by German authority auditors. The U.S. does not govern Karatbars International. However, the U.S. government, like any other country, treats it on the same level of trade. We do not sell financial paper instruments, nor does Karatbars International. Affiliates do not sell gold. Karatbars International does offshore. Only Karatbars account holders can make referrals, and we are rewarded for doing so. New account holders can get a Karatbars account only by being referred by a Karatbars affiliate account holder. Although we resemble a leverage type of marketing structure, we are not considered an MLM in any country. Our compensation plan pays out only when paper money is exchanged into gold. That's it. The next big question is, how can I be sure it's real? Karatbars cannot be counterfeited as some gold has been. With Karatbars, any merchant or dealer who has been taught what to look for with the naked eye can easily and quickly determine that every Karatbar is not fake because it has the following. Number 1, the stamp of the London Bullion Market Association. Number 2, the signature of the Addisay Refinery's assayer on the card. Number 3, an embossed serial number that is unique to that particular Karatbar. And number 4, the refinery's unique hologram on the back of the gold. What about the buyback price? With all weights of gold, there is a buyback price that is less than the sell price. With Karatbars, there are many more options available than simply selling them back. You can use them to buy goods and services from the many merchants around the world that accept them. You can post them in the Karatbars member marketplace. You can sell them back to Karatbars at a higher price than you would get from any gold dealer. If you own an ounce of gold and need a few $100s, you will need to sell the whole ounce. If you have high inflation, you won't want to do that. You will want to leave as much money in gold as possible. Well, a Karatbar 1 gram eliminates the need to convert to cash or use more than is required at that given time. You cannot chip off a piece from an ounce and expect anyone to give you just that amount in paper cash or goods and services. We also want you to understand how important it is to be LBMA certified. It takes 3 years of 0 issues for a refinery to get LBMA certified. Karatbars International also produces green gold. They use no mercury or cyanide in the extraction process. Now this makes them a serious tactical player for gold production worldwide now and in the future. All gold shipments are double insured. First, by SecureLog. They videotape every single package and log the actual card numbers. SecureLog is recognized by the World Gold Council, which is one of the largest groups in the gold industry. They are then shipped by FedEx and insured again by Karatbars International. If you decide to let Karatbars International store your gold, they will do so at no charge. To exchange into gold is one thing. To exchange out of gold is another. Karatbars is the simple, no-nonsense, worldwide solution for both types of exchanges. They offer a multifaceted exit strategy unlike any other source. Karatbars International will buy back your Karatbars with the guaranteed best buyback price. Other major financial institutions see us as a reliable financial partner. For example, The Vatican bought and branded 100 kilograms of Karatbars International Gold and branded it into Karatbars Collectible Grams. No one can doubt that the Vatican is a major financial worldwide giant. They do not do business or get involved with just any company. Remember, getting paid to acquire gold is better than buying it at any price.